the digital era, the quest for the perfect internet service provider is like finding a needle in a haystack. So there's a lot of options at your fingertips and the decision can be overwhelming. Today, I'm going to be going over the two titans of the industry, Verizon Fios and Cox Communications. Both have their unique strengths and weaknesses, and choosing between them depends on a variety of factors, including internet speed, reliability, customer service, and price. So let's go ahead and dive into what sets these providers apart and help you make an informed decision. So Verizon Fios, renowned for its cutting-edge fiber optic technology, offers some of the fastest internet speeds available on the market. So this is a game changer for anyone who relies heavily on the internet for streaming high-definition videos, gaming, or working from home. The beauty of fiber optic technology lies in its ability to provide a symmetrical upload and download speeds, ensuring that your video calls are crystal clear and your online games are lag-free. One of the most appealing aspects of Verizon Fios is its straightforward pricing and the absence of data caps. This simply means that you can stream, game, and download to your heart's content without worrying about hitting a data limit or experiencing throttled speeds. Additionally, Verizon Fios does not require annual contracts, giving customers the flexibility to change their plans or providers without facing hefty penalties. However, the Achilles heel of Verizon Fios is its limited availability. Primarily concentrated in the northeastern United States, many potential customers outside this region are left yearning for the speeds and reliability that Fios offers. This limited reach is a significant factor to consider when comparing Verizon Fios to other internet service providers. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Cox Communications, a provider known for its wide availability and solid customer service. Cox offers a range of cable internet plans catering to various needs and budgets, from basic plans suitable for light internet users to high-speed options for tech-savvy households. Cox aims to provide something for everyone. So Cox's bundle deals are particularly attractive, offering customers the opportunity to combine internet, TV, and phone services at discounted rates. This can be a convenient and cost-effective solution for those who are looking to streamline their monthly bills. However, it's important to note that Cox imposes data caps on all its plans, with coverage fees awaiting those who exceed the limit. While the cap is set to a generous 1.25 terabytes, heavy internet users might find this restriction cumbersome. Another point of contention with Cox is the potential for price hikes and additional fees. Customers may face increased rates after the promotional period ends, and there are charges for equipment rentals, installation, and exceeding data caps. So these extra costs can definitely add up, making it crucial for potential subscribers to read the fine print and calculate the total monthly expense before committing to Cox. When it comes to performance, Verizon Fios' fiber optic service is really hard to beat. Offering speeds up to 2 gigabytes per second, Fios is an ideal for households with multiple devices connected simultaneously, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a seamless online experience. The reliability of fiber optic technology also means fewer interruptions and consistent speeds, even during peak usage times. Cox's cable internet, while not as fast or reliable as fiber, still provides a dependable and connection for most online activities. Cable technology is more susceptible to congestion, which can lead to slower speeds during busy periods. However, for the average user, Cox's service is more than adequate for streaming, browsing, and online gaming. In terms of customer satisfaction, Verizon Fios consistently ranks high, with customers praising its speed, reliability, and customer service. The lack of data caps and contracts contributes to its positive overall experience, making Fios a preferred choice for many. Cox, while not matching Verizon Fios in speed or reliability, still holds its own in the customer service department. The company's efforts to provide a solid support and resolve issues promptly have not gone unnoticed, earning it a loyal customer base. So the choice between Verizon Fios and Cox Communications, it boils down to what matters most to you. If you're within Verizon's limited service area and crave top-notch speeds and reliability without data restrictions, Fios is the way to go. On the other hand, if you value wider availability, solid customer service, and the convenience of bundled deals, Cox Communications is a very strong contender. Now, you got to remember that the best internet service provider for you is the one that meets your specific needs, preferences, and budgets. Take the time to weigh the pros and cons, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying a better online experience.